Morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, it stopped raining now. It's been raining all night. What's the news? So we have the christening of our godchildren tomorrow. So sister is already here. Her husband Morris, he's turned up. Love his transport. Morris's bike. That gets him everywhere. Mum's e-bike, or e-scooter, whatever you want to call it. Brother built a garage for it. So that's where that's living. So while it's not raining, we've got our old friend Arnold coming on his tricycle, and he's going to take us into Roxas. We're going to look at some motorbike helmets for myself and Ascension. Because, yeah, everybody sort of rides motorcycles here without helmets. But I'm not one of those people, guys. I had a bad crash on my Fireblade, Honda Fireblade, a few years ago. I broke 7 ribs. And you know what? If I wasn't wearing the helmet, I'd be dead. So I'm going to buy a couple of helmets for us today. Because on Friday, I'm going to Laoag City. We're going to buy a motorcycle, guys. We're going to buy a Honda ADV 160. It's been very well looked after by one of the Philippine soldiers who owns it. They're having a baby in January, and EJ, his name, is he's selling his scooter because of that reason. So it's going to cost some money, but that's what we're having. I'll show you some pictures. Well, it is rainy season here at the moment in the Philippines, Christmas time. Typhoons have finished. Had some pretty bad typhoons this year, unfortunately. People got hurt, people died, which is it's very bad. But you can see the rain, you know, when it comes down, it leaves everything wet. Hang on, I can hear somebody. There he is. Here's the man. Here's Arnold, right on time. There he is. Good morning, sir. Arnold on the tricycle. That was my first ever tricycle ride in the Philippines. Was with Arnold and his lovely little black tricycle. So we're going out again today with Arnold. There he is, looking all smart. Good morning.
Morning.
There's Nana in the garden. Nana is doing the gardening. Planting. And here is my goddaughter, Peekaboo Princess. Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah, she's shy this morning. Where is Tita? Come on, Tita. There she is. Okay, let's go and find Tita. Okay. So let's hit the road, get to Roxas, and hopefully find a couple of helmets. The bike's red, so ideally red and black helmets. Let's see what we can come up with. Let the adventure begin, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm here at Honda Motor Rally in Roxas. So we're looking at some of the new bikes, but I don't want to be spending like 169, 171 on a brand new one. There's some nice ones in here, but not for me. It's good. Motorola. Okay, so we have more there, and more there. I don't really want to buy a brand new bike, guys, but it doesn't harm to take a look, does it? Okay, guys, so I'm at Guazon Motorcycles at the moment, and we're just taking a look at this little beauty, which is really nice. This is brand new, ADV 160, 2025 model. Very good. A good cash price at 166,900. Very nice bike. Very comfortable. Brand new. They have some nice bikes. They have the PCX over there. But this is the one I want to buy. which is the ADV 160. It's like a metallic red, not a flat red. It's pretty beautiful. And they also have in a white. Which one do you think, guys? Red or white? Nice bikes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay guys, so we are here at DR2 Riders Hub. Just there guys, right in the middle of Roxas, Isabella, just up the road from Laoag. So we're here with the very nice people. There's our driver over there.
Arnold.
There's Arnold. And the owner of the shop. Hello sir. Hi. And also the very nice lady over there who looked after us. So we bought today the Evo helmets. 2 Evo helmets for the new scooter we're getting on Friday. You can see by the range, they have a lot of helmets here. A lot of very nice ones. Lots of accessories, shock absorbers, tyres, top boxes, more accessories. It's a really good place to be, guys. Salamat Paul for looking after us today. We've got a feature on YouTube.
That's Arnold.
There's Arnold waving again. The best driver. So we're going to put this up on YouTube. If you're in Roxas, that's not Roxas City, but Roxas Isabella, DR2 Riders Hub, guys. Come and say hello. Bye-bye now. Okay guys, now we're at Save More. So it's just like a supermarket here in the middle of Roxas. Quite a big size, to be honest. Not a bad size. So Ascension's buying chicken. And it's a bit different here because the guys chop it all for you. You've got butchers exactly at the point where you buy it. So it's very good. Guys can chop everything. So many chickens. Loads of chicken. I bought some burgers and some chicken, some bread. Doesn't come to a lot, to be honest. Cheap, isn't it, Mrs. C? Cheaper than England.
Yes.
Right. That's it. I'm going to leave this bit here just in case I get busted by security because they're everywhere. So yeah, all sorted. 2 new helmets, got some shopping, and it's not rained, which is always a bonus. Arnold charges roughly, it's about 400 pesos for this afternoon to take us out. He's waited for us, he's helped us. 400 pesos is not a lot. I mean, 77 pesos to £1. So I think for today, I gave him something like a £5 just to run us around. That included the tip. So we're back. Right, that's it for this blog. I'll catch you guys later. Guys, I was going to end the blog, but we'd been buying again. As usual, we'll just buy things. Now, I'm buying a red bike, as I told you earlier on. And I wanted a different seat for it, so I'm looking at this at the moment. I'm looking at what they call a camelback seat. So it looks a bit like that, which is quite nice. Nice red stitching. And that is going to cost 2,420 pesos. And then I wanted some other things as well. So I looked at a black screen. So I'm buying a screen like that one, not like that because that's rubbish. Like that, but in smoke grey. And then, because I always spend a lot I also wanted to provide a performance clutch kit to give us a bit more speed. But that's just me. We're definitely having that red ADV 160 that I saw on Facebook Marketplace. It's cheaper than the brand new one we saw yesterday or today in the video, but the other one's already got modifications. It's a bit cheaper. It's not brand new, it's 2 years old, but it's cool. But anyway, let me just show you something. Mrs. C has bought some cheap Chinese crap. So Mrs. C and Sister Mary Jane and the princess are busy at the moment building Chinese crap. What's that, babe? What you bought?
Supposed to be this is for a cabinet for all the groceries, but
It looks like you should keep rabbits in it.
look at it.
It's a little bit small, isn't it? It's like dollhouse size. That's even small for a princess.
This is for dwarf person.
So everybody's at it at the moment. Maybe Jane's at it a lot. She's a little bit better than Ascension when it comes to building things. She's more of an engineering mind. And obviously Princess is helping. So yeah, there we go. This is where the money goes, guys. Cheap Chinese crap.
Cheap Chinese shopping.
Shoppy. Says it all really, doesn't it? Right, well, as far as my work's concerned, we're doing the bedroom up at Ascension's mum's house for when we come over again. It was pink walls, and the ceiling was not all that clever. It had pink curtains, so we sent some curtains over in the ballot buying box, some grey ones, and I've already started painting the ceiling and repairing on the corners just there and just over there where we've got some black dust coming through. And I've put a shoppy cheap fan up as well. So the bedroom, oh yeah, that's Ascension's as well. Vanity table, that's from Shoppy. But she's happy with it. So anyway, that's our little bedroom at the moment. It's looking all right. So if everything goes to plan, guys, the next time we come over in April or May, we can fly into Manila and then jump on a plane to Kauai, and we can get picked up near Kauai, which is not as bad as going 12 hours for brother to drive from Malig to Manila to pick us up. We can travel light because we're leaving some stuff here, and we'll have a scooter here, a motorbike here as well, which is the one I'm getting on Friday. Happy days. In the meantime, Mum gets to use the electric bike because we won't be using that anymore, and everybody's happy. Right, definitely go in there, guys. Thank you to all our new subscribers, really appreciate that. Big hello, big shout out to the girls down at Malig Brews. Thank you for all the Facebook posts and the shouts and the follows. We really appreciate that, girls. Hope you're liking your new t-shirts. Okay, bye for now.